Everybody, welcome to my tutorial. Today we will learn how to create nested option menu in Android application. So as my picture view on desktop, I have 4 items and 2 groups. So in item 3 I have radio button, item 4 I have checkbox, and group 1 and group 2 I have some sub item. So let's open Android Studio to do this. I already have my project that I call it nested option menu. With this project I choose it with empty activity. So with empty activity I will getting start from the first point to finish this. Okay, so let's see on the left hand side. Okay, I expand my app directory and go to resource directory. So now I need a menu directory. So just right click on resource and go to new and Android resource directory. So let's choose resource type menu. Okay, and it's okay. So now I got my menu directory and this other resource file in that directory. So just right click on menu and go to menu resource file. So now I call it main menu. Okay, it's okay. So now I got my main menu. So I need 4 items and 2 groups. So now let's add first item with title attribute item 1. So I put other in category 100. Okay, so I need 3 other items, item 2, item 3 and item 4. So now I call it item 2, item 3 and item 4. I need 2 other groups. So now I just do the same thing, just change item title to group 1 and here is group 2. Okay, so now I got my option menu here. So I want my option menu so in my main activity. So now I go to my main activity and I override on create option menu. Okay, if you can not find main activity tab, you just go to project directory and expand Java directory and expand your package name and you will find this. Okay, main activity. So I override on create option menu and I'm call it get menu inflator and I'm pointing to inflate. I inflate it from resource menu dot main menu is the file that we just create and I put menu here. So for this I'm going to return it to true. Okay, so now I got it. So let's start our application. Okay, so now let's see option menu here. Okay, so now I got 4 items with 2 groups. So in item 3 we have ratio button. Okay, so now let's go to menu resource file and go to item 3. So I need a group, so I add an order category. I put it 100 and I add checkable behavior. I put it single. Okay, so I wrap item 3 into that group. So now I got it. I got my ratio button here. Okay, and I need a checkbox. I want to check. I want item 4 come with checkbox. So now I just add an attribute in item 4. So I add checkable. I put it true. So now I got it. Okay, item 3 and item 4. So now let's see something change in application. Okay, So that's it. Okay, radio button in item 3 and checkbox in item 4. So now let's create group. Okay, in group 1 and group 2. So let's back. So I make change from this group 1. I change it this and I add menu in my item. Okay, so now I add item that I put title is sub item 1. Okay, so just do the same thing, sub item 2 and sub item 3. So now I change my sub item title. Okay, so now I got it. So we can see this menu here, this icon here. Okay, so in group 2 just do the same thing. So I make change is to item and I grab menu in that item. Okay, so now let's see in application. Okay, so now that's it for my video for today. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you on next video. Bye bye.